Hi, I'm Jimmy Zappis. I'm here with celebrity dog walk and talk.
Meet Jimmy Zappis, rock star, heartthrob, and celebrity dog walker. But the real star is his dog, Toby.
Toby's out visiting Hollywood today. He's a 1-year-old collie. That's right. We're in Hollywood, baby. We finally made it to the big time. Down there you go, Toby on the red carpet. Ta-da.
When people see Toby, they see happiness for sure.
Yeah, you can say hi. You can say hi. Friendly, 100%. You can. Anybody can come up and pet him if they want. You see what I mean? And I do gotta admit, I do like big butts, and I can't deny it. Spider-Man and Superman too, even.
God bless America.
God bless America.
God bless America.
God bless America.
I wrote a song for the troops, the patriotic troops. They weren't bums, right?
Every episode, Jimmy and Toby walk a celebrity's dog.
Girl, who reminds me? Hi, Lucy.
And while Jimmy walks, the dogs talk.
We got Lucy here with us, Matt's girlfriend's dog, Hillary Duff. Lucy's a wonderful girl. She's very mature, and she's well behaved.
Hollywood, it's a dog walk dog world.
But yeah, it was great meeting you. Good luck.
Good luck to you.
And I'll see you again. We'll come back and visit, all right? See you, Luce. Bye.